Right face. Right shoulder arm. Forward march. And now, ladies and gentlemen, approaching in front of the stage is spearheaded by Cadet Colonel Rowan Q. Plaza, First Class ROTC Battalion Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Junrey M. Formiento, First Class ROTC Battalion Adjutant, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Nigel C. Ramos, First Class ROTC Battalion S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Kimberly T. Tagalog, First Class ROTC Battalion S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jim Rose B. Hugasan, First Class ROTC Battalion S3, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Crystalline B. Iliana, First Class ROTC Battalion S4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Shilamay L. Calope, First Class ROTC Battalion S7. The Father Urias High School Drama Nar Corps, led by Cadet Captain Eva May Taylor, Second Class ROTC, the Band Officer. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Rizal H. Baha, First Class ROTC Alpha Company Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jonathan B. Mengita, First Class ROTC Alpha Company XO. Cadet Captain Jeffrey P. Orina, Second Class ROTC Alpha Company First Platoon Leader.
Carlin.
Ako, Carlin.
Dili, namo lang ko
Cadet
Carlin.
Captain Raymond
Naliapit sa
A. Cayetano, Second Class ROTC Alpha Company Second Platoon Leader. Everybody is requested to stand for the national color. Cadet Captain Cristito C. Rosaban, Second Class ROTC Color Officer. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Michelle O. Cifuentes, First Class ROTC Bravo Company Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Julie Rebecca A. Sr., First Class ROTC Bravo Company XO. Cadet Captain Kimberly Gail G. Pesas, Second Class ROTC Bravo Company First Platoon Leader. Cadet Captain Tangeline S. Cataño, Second Class ROTC Bravo Company Second Platoon Leader.
Kuha na, Joya.
Jade.
Na?
Jade. Wala naman kang Joy. Pero bang sara at ticket daw ko kasi. Dapat dapat training niya sa unan na. Drama na ito.
Pwede dala sa ko. Dili ka ko.
That ends the first part of the ceremony, and may we invite everybody to witness the presentations of Father Uri's High School Drum and Lyre Corps, Sunday Warriors, and the Piña Tuna Mural before the silent drill presentation of the cadet officers with the aspiring cadet officers.